Welcome to lesson 21 of algebraic concepts, one-step addition and subtraction equations. All right, here's our objective vocabulary, rules and notes. Okay, so since we just went through this, I'm going to shorten this down. So we know that we have to add 2 and 5/6 to both sides, add 2 and 5/6 to both sides. X equals 4/3 plus 12, 17 over 6. I'll multiply that by 2 over 2. That gives us 8 over 6 plus 17 over 6 gives us 25 over 6, which equals 4 and 1/6. So X equals 4 and 1/6. Okay, so since there's no sign in front of the 12, we know it's positive, so we're going to subtract 12.65 from both sides. Subtract 12.65 from both sides. Y will equal, barring 6, 56. Oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake there. It's going fast. Going too fast. 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay. All right. So 57. 7 minus 2 is 5.57. Okay, so those were our two examples for this for this lesson. Meet me at the end of the video for a recap. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is do 6 minus 2 1/4 equals 2 and 1/2 plus b. Okay, 6 minus 2 1/4. 2 times 4 is, this is 9 over 4. Okay, so now we know that all whole numbers can be made over 1. And so now, since we have to get the bottom to be 4, we just multiply by 4 over 4, and then you get 24 over 4 minus 9 over 4, which gives us 15. And so that becomes 3 3/4. So this is 3 3/4 equals 2.5 plus b. So again, subtracting 2.5 from both sides. I'm going to do this down here. 3 times 4 is 12, 15 over 4, minus 5 halves, multiplied by 2 over 2, equals 10 over 4. 15 over 4 gives us 5/4, which equals 1 1/4. So B equals 1 1/4. Okay, looking at our final problem here. So we have 1/4 equals m minus 3/8. So we're going to add 3/8 to both sides. Add 3/8 to both sides, and m equals 5/8. Okay, because 1/4 times 2 over 2 becomes 2 over 8. And we're going to add 3/8, and that makes 5 over 8. Okay, so that went a little faster, but this was our second lesson dealing with fractions and equations. So I just kind of moved a little faster. If I went too fast, please go back and watch the previous video about adding fractions. I think there was 2 videos ago. Or go back and look up in the fraction lessons and take your time and practice your math. So, like and subscribe, watch my welcome video, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.